Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a get ready with us video featuring my special guest Morgan.
Hey.
We just wanted to hang out, talk about makeup, and show you a couple new things that we have. She has some new brushes, I have a new mascara. So yeah, we just wanted to have you along for the ride. So let's get started. And we're going to, where are we going?
Today?
After this.
So we're going to Secret Santa.
I know it's past Christmas.
Yeah, past Christmas, but we all had to get our lives together because, we have other obligations. But we're going to Secret Santa. We're so excited.
Yeah, so we want to look extra cute, so let's do this. All right. I'm just going to use this little travel size Laura Mercier primer.
And I'm using the NYX color correcting liquid. It's an illuminating primer, which really helps my skin because I feel like it's very dull and uneven, especially in the winter.
Awesome. This one, I believe, is mostly like a hydrating primer. I thought it mentioned radiance somewhere on here, but I can't find it anymore. But yeah, move along to foundation. I've had this guy for like several years and it still works. It didn't break me out last time I used it, but it's the Velvet Matte Skin Tint in the shade Saint Moritz. So I initially got this because I like the idea of like skin tint and not too heavy, and I stopped using it for a while. I don't know why, but I picked it back up again and I've been liking the finish of it.
Now what I'm using is the NARS concealer that I was talking about. Custard Medium 1 is the shade. Nice. It's just a little travel size. Because I wasn't sure if I would like it, even though I know NARS has a good reputation.
Right.
I'm always looking for a good concealer because I have really dark circles most of the time.
Same, girl.
So I like it so far. Actually, I like it a lot. It's my favorite.
Yeah, that's why I do get several travel size things too, so I could just test it out.
Try it out, yeah.
We're doing what we can. So yeah, there's half of it. You can't tell, like my dark circles are like in the way. I've realized that you kind of have to spread this around the face versus like doing like this, like pouncing motions.
I do my eyes first before I do my face. I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base. I like it a lot. I just bought, I think they have a new pigment for eyes that just came out, but I don't have it with me, but I do like this one a lot. Nice. It's just like a translucent kind of cream. It's usually like, what is it called? Like skin color?
Skin tone, yeah. Like my MAC soft ochre. It's like a yellowy.
Yeah. See, look.
Ooh, there's even some like shimmer.
The palette that I'm going to use today that I'm really excited about is the Tarte Toasted palette, my new favorite.
Woo! Look at those tones.
Yeah, I don't know. I love them a lot. I think when I first used it the first time, it was a little bolder than what I'm used to because there are some oranges in here, and then on my skin it was really bold, and I'm more of like always nude makeup and like natural, but this is
went
great.
Out of your comfort zone.
Went out of my comfort zone. I don't know, I like it a lot, and they're very pigmented, so I feel like I'm getting my money's worth, which is nice. First color I'm gonna use is Sunrise, just as kind of like a base.
Perfect. I'm just using the Better Skin concealer. I used this combination with the NARS last time, and I think it just paired well. So after this, I'll just be blending it out with the EcoTool sponge.
That's a nice blender.
Thanks. Yeah, it expands, like,
Yeah.
So what kind of look would you say you're trying to achieve? Like a soft glam?
Yeah, this is like kind of a look I would do, I guess, if I'm going out like to dinner or something. I know I did this look over Christmas break with my family when my grandma had a dinner at her house. Now I'm gonna go in with Latte. I love this color. See, this is like what I stick to, like lipsticks and everything. I'm pretty boring. This is an eye look that I got from Blissful Brie, her channel. Because I think when I first bought this palette, I didn't really know how to work with it as much. Right. And so I wanted to get some inspiration, and I found that I really liked this look, so thanks, girls.
I definitely do the same whenever I get a new palette. I like to get inspiration from other beauty bloggers, and then I eventually start creating my own looks.
And I'm going to go into my crease with these two, Cashmere and Warmth, and just mix them together a little bit.
Beauteous. I think I got that word from Brittany, our manager.
This is my new brush crease. I don't know. I don't like it. I'm going to switch.
Yeah?
I'm going to go to my trusty dusty Naked 2 brush. I love this brush. It's my favorite.
I'm going to set my concealed areas with the NYX powder. Y'all see this all the time. I do like this small tapered brush from e.l.f. though, because it kind of like fits like right under your eye nicely. So,
From e.l.f.?
Yeah.
Nice.
This is like one of my favorite e.l.f. brushes, I would say.
I'm going to take Cozy and blend that into my crease as well to give it a little more contrast and color.
Nice. Should I use Fenty or a Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder?
Fenty.
Fenty! Morgan says Fenty. Let's do
Always
it.
Fenty.
Woo! Like changes the color from like the pretty white.
I know. I was
Does
thinking
that
the same
happen to
thing
you too?
yesterday. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to go back in with that color Latte.
Yay!
So I kind of want to even it out a little bit now.
Hula, 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 hula.
Okay, so now I'm going to take my favorite Fireside. It's got tons of shimmer and I love it.
Nice.
Oh, no, not Fireside. It's called Flame.
And I'm going to use the Hula bronzer right here. I'm just going to be bronzing. It's like a little sample, basically.
That's a good one.
Hula is like the benefit go-to bronzer. There's lots of other good ones too, even at the drugstore.
Now I'm going to take like a lighter shade. It's called Candle. Boom.
Ooh.
Candle. And I'm going to go in the inner corners of my eyes with that one.
Wow, why do I feel like you're almost done with your eye, like your eyeshadow?
I feel like you're almost done with your whole face.
This helps reduce the appearance of any double chinage.
I'm gonna go in with Fireside. See, I knew there was one called Fireside. I'm gonna put it on my outer corner.
Oh, you stupid dogs. I'm gonna take Burnt Orange from the Modern Renaissance, and I'll sweep that into my crease. I just want like a bronzy look. I'm gonna open up Morphe 350. This is brown right here.
I like to use this Sephora shimmer. It's called Girls Night Out. I
No
dropped
makeup.
it before I even used it. I'm just adding that into the inner corner of my lid because why not?
Why not take a crazy chance? Lizzie McGuire, y'all. Get hip.
But you knew that, right? See, I'm going back in with some of the same shades that I've used.
Touching up, touching up.
Cozy and Warmth.
Like a warm chocolatey brown. Change directions from what I was about to do.
Actually, I didn't do this look with the dinner at my grandma's house. I actually did this look. We just went out for the day, and I was wearing this like red, orangey sweater.
Mm-hmm.
I was so happy. I was like, oh, this goes perfect with my look.
So far, I'm just building up these browns in the crease.
I like it.
Thanks, girl.
You have like good sized eyelids. Mine are huge.
What?
I have to use so much product on my
Oh
eyelids because they're so big.
No, girl. Some people don't have enough lid space. I guess mine's medium. Yours is large. Some people's is like extra small.
Large.
This is like a BoxyCharm palette. I'm gonna try this golden, shimmery, coppery, bronzy, whatever. Like I always resort back to my finger when I'm applying my lid shade. I feel like I get the most like pigment.
Really?
Yeah, but there's also really good flat shader brushes. Like I've always wanted the MAC 242, but I still haven't bought it because it's like probably like a $25 brush. I'm not ready for that yet. All right, I've been sleeping on this shade. I like it so far.
Can I use your eyeliner?
Yeah, definitely. Liquid?
No, not the liquid, the
Oh, the L'Oreal one?
Yeah.
Like mine still has somewhat of a sharp one and hers is
Where
like...
is it?
Bleh.
Why do I need
Yeah.
an extra large sharpener?
Right?
I don't have time for that.
That's what I'm gonna use. Cypress Umber.
I go back and forth between two foundations. I like to buy like a more like affordable one. And also like a nicer one, I would say. So I'm using Smashbox. I don't know which one it is. Studio Skin. Definitely, I do like it, but it's, you know, I kind of want to explore other options. I'm going to use the NYX Stay Matte, but not black.
Ooh.
This is medium beige.
Is that one of your sponges that you just opened?
No.
Or that's one you had?
It's my old one that I like can't throw away.
Oh.
I like the way that it like applies my foundation.
Just taking a fluffier brush and kind of trying to just smooth it out. The sound of the beauty blender is so funny. It's like a little animal. I don't know what it is.
Pitter-pattering.
Pitter-patter. Y'all don't want to know what pitter-patter means. Whenever my mom sees this, she's like, Are you okay? Did you get hurt? Hi, Mom.
Oh.
There's one girl I watch called Coffee Break with Danny. She calls her under eye circles panda eyes. I don't even need to tell you guys. I just think this works really good. It doesn't. I've never really noticed it smearing or rubbing off. And I think it's just pretty easy to create a wing with this.
What is it?
It is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner.
I bought
Kat
Von D tattoo liner. I'm scared.
She got the one I always wanted. I'm done with
really?
her. Yeah, I just don't want to pay for it.
How much was it?
That one? I don't know. I think it's like 20 something. All right, both of us have our liquid liners on.
Oh, my bronzer. Kardashian Beauty, believe it or not.
She's about to hit pan.
Yeah.
I have this. I don't know where it is, but I did have it.
Yeah, I feel like it's the bronzer that I'm not really a fan of. And I've said that for a while. I just haven't like found one that I really like.
Yeah.
No, I like that one.
Yeah. The brand is called Guerlain, and I guess it's the terracotta bronzer. It's like a French perfume, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just going to go back in with the colors I used in my crease for the lower lash line.
And right now I'm going to do my blush. I use NYX Ombre Blush. It's called Nude to Me. And I've had it for a while, so it's not as ombre as it once was. But that's kind of what it looks like. Like the top's a little bit lighter.
Nice. It looks like a sunset.
Yeah. It's really pretty when you first buy it. Time check.
Time check.
6:38.
6:38.
What do you think?
I think we're going to make it. If we're aiming, pencil brush, and go into that warmer chocolatey brown.
Mascara. I'm using NYX Badunkadunk.
Oh, okay. Keep your eyes on my badunk-dunk-dunk. Oh, this is getting a little low. Jet black.
I am doing my waterline with a mixture of cozy and warmth.
Cozy and warmth.
That's cozy and warmth.
I actually have to open this up. I grabbed this at Rite Aid just today because I needed like an emergency one, and Rite Aid was the closest. So it's called Volume Express, the Colossal Cat Eyes Mascara. So we'll see how this goes.
And I'm going to use but it's called Banana.
Ooh, this could be promising. Pat it on with a beauty sponge.
Yeah, I love these things.
Nice. That's like the under your eye side. In close. Now I feel like you're definitely beating me. This is absurd.
I don't always do this, but sometimes I like to add a little more pizzazz. NYX Illuminator. Narcissistic. I just kind of put this like right here sometimes if I'm feeling kind of lucky. First, what I'm going to use is the NYX Bright Idea Illuminating Stick. And this one is called Chardonnay Shimmer. This is what it looks like. So I use this one mainly for like the bridge of my nose,
Gotcha.
in my nose. I usually just use my sculpting brush by Real Techniques. Oops. Now I just got Sugar. It's very different than that glow, right? Wouldn't you say?
Yes. That glow, or here, we'll show you really quick.
So yeah, you can see how they're different.
Actually got this suggestion from Morgan. So it's good for like, you know, medium skin tones like ours. And then this has some more like pinkier, a little bit pinkier shade.
I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills A23.
I don't want to just see if just a bronzer will do the trick today. This was like our travel size. Laura Mercier is just called Bronze 03. I never really get enough pigment, so I might want to try your blush. Which one did you use? Ooh, I love it.
And I'm using Gumdrop. It does have a pink undertone, but I'm using that just to kind of highlight underneath my eyebrow.
For the heck of it, I'll use my the Glow Kit as well. I always do my little C shape right here. I haven't tried nose contouring yet.
Really?
Yeah.
I like it. This
Anymore.
is the powder I use to contour. I have my liquid one, but not with me. It's at home. I'm not going to do it today, but it's Maybelline Fit Me 360 Mocha Pressed Powder.
Down. Are we both on lip color now?
I think.
Yay!
Oh, Carmex. I think I'll use Butter by NYX.
Nice. We do like NYX, guys. For the inner corner, I'm actually gonna really quick take the Master Chrome, you know, it's called Molten Gold. And, oh, your lip color's on already?
Yeah. So I kind of decided to go a different way with my lip, be a little more exciting.
Ooh.
So the first one I put on is NYX Lingerie After Hours, a little bit. And I like to mix my lip colors, so now I'm going in with NYX Matte Lipstick. This is Sable.
I'm just adding Ofra Rodeo Drive under the brow really quick. I'm just gonna use, it's a liquefied longwear lipstick from Too Faced. And this one is called Chocolate Honey. So now we're gonna both apply, we're gonna use the same setting spray. The NYX Matte Finish Fini Matte. Do you shake hers?
Yeah, every time.
Okay. Woo! Hey, we're at work! All right.
I don't like when my hair is straight. Because then I feel like it gets like here.
Oh no!
You know?
All right, guys. These are our completed looks. I hope you enjoyed the video and enjoyed having Morgan on my channel too.
It was so much fun.
Well, yeah, I hope we somewhat were able to explain what we were doing without laughing too much. Yeah, do you want to add anything?
Oh, no.
Okay. Well, this is just a little outro. We're going to get ready to go to our work festivities. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll leave Morgan's Instagram if you just want to follow her too. And we will see you guys soon. Or I'll see you soon. She might see you soon again. Who knows? So take care. Bye.
Bye. How do you do this?
Wow,
Yeah.
they have it online. I'm done.
No, in the line.
In the line. Yeah, that's what I meant. Hey guys. Psych. Let me stop. Hey guys.
Hey.
Woo. Nothing happened. Some shade.
Sorry.
Oh, you're fine. I'm just gonna go over with one of the brown. Be quiet, Soso.